It's another great weekend, guys, and that means it's another tech gadgets review from VNfatBIKER. Last time I showed to you, I demonstrated to you and do some tutorial as well about the DJI OSMO POCKET. Okay, when you bought this one already, okay, you will only receive a standard packaging, okay, a standard setup, and a case and a charger and a box itself. Now, if you would like to pimp, okay, your DJI OSMO POCKET from this into this, so join me to check everything how to do it in pimping up your DJI OSMO POCKET. Let's get it on, guys.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
Hi guys, so last time, okay, we discussed about the DJI OSMO POCKET. Okay, I bought this one. So as simple as this, the packaging, the box, and the straightforward the DJI OSMO POCKET standard configuration, as you can see. Now our topic today is how are we going to make this upgraded and let's pimp. Okay, what other accessories that we can add to it and make it more high-tech, okay, as a filmmaker. Okay, let's try to check it out now, guys. Okay, first is what are the accessories that we need to get or to buy for DJI OSMO POCKET. Okay, so now I'm telling you now this is the basic accessories that you need to find. The DJI OSMO POCKET expansion kit. Okay, this is recommendable for those owners of DJI OSMO POCKET. These are the 3 basic accessories that you must buy. Okay, first, the function of these 3 accessories that will help you in doing your vloggings, doing some filmmaking, or any video shooting about it, okay, using DJI OSMO POCKET. Okay, so let's start. The first accessories that you need to use to attach on your DJI OSMO POCKET. First is the expansion kit wireless module. Okay, this is the one. Okay, how to install it? Okay, wait, simply attach on it, and as you can see, okay, let me remove. This is a USB type C. That means it's reversible. Of course, there's a mounting on it. Make sure it's a correct mount. Okay, so now do you have the first expansion kit or upgraded parts to pimp your DJI OSMO POCKET. So what's the purpose of this first accessories? Okay, number one, if you would like to take some video, okay, without handling your DJI OSMO POCKET, just go to a flat surface, put it. It's so easy, like that one. Then you can control your DJI OSMO POCKET. That's the basic one. But the magic of this one, this wireless module can be connected to your mobile phone, okay, and with using the DJI Mimo apps to connect this one, you can now control this gadget remotely, especially doing hyperlapse video recording. You can now access wirelessly. And then this one at the back of this wireless module, you can now also connect. There's a USB type C also again. Okay, so this is another port to connect your USB type C charger. Okay, so you can charge your DJI OSMO POCKET using this wireless module. Okay, that's the first accessory that you need or you can pimp to your DJI OSMO Pocket, the wireless module to connect to your cell phone wirelessly via Bluetooth, and can be a standalone like this. Okay. Second accessories that you can pimp or can connect to your DJI OSMO Pocket is your, what we call, this one, controller wheel. This is a DJI OSMO controller wheel, as you can see. Okay, as you can see, this is the DJI OSMO controller wheel expansion kit. So let's connect this one as additional pimping. Okay, pimping your DJI OSMO Pocket. Okay, how to do it? Just this one, remove the standard adapter, and you will see just simple like this one. Okay, this one, and it's done. So we have the first one, the wireless module, and you have the controller wheel. Okay, so what's the function of this controller wheel? So it will make you more pro in doing some your filmmaking using this one. It will help some, it will ease your triggering some buttons and reducing some motion in your body, instead using bare hands, fingers to record everything. Okay, let's turn it off, this one. Okay, already turn on, sorry. Okay, there are two buttons here and a controller wheel and a toggle type switch. Okay, let's start with this one. This one, there is what you call an axis. Okay, an axis selector. Okay, if I set this one, in vertical, I click this one, observe the camera. Okay, observe the camera. So this is the controller wheel. I set the axis switch to vertical, and you will see, okay, you will see the camera moving vertical using a controller wheel. Okay, okay, again, this one, you see, okay, so cool. Okay, it's almost like you're having a drone in your hands. Okay, next is, let's switch it to the horizontal. I switch horizontal, so using the controller wheel, you will see, okay, can make a 360. Okay, so that's the function of the controller wheel. Okay, now there is two buttons here. Okay, the first button, when you press it, it will help you to lock in a particular object or subject, and it will follow. Okay, it will follow, and it can track the face of the subject if you're shooting with a person or people. Okay, and the other one is, if you press this one, it will switch to a selfie mode, so the camera will reverse. Okay, you know, the selfie mode. Okay, so it will become so easy now. Okay, so as you can see, that's the second part of the expansion kit, or upgrading the, what do you call this one, pimping up your DJI OSMO Pocket. Okay guys, now the last part is quite very basic now. Okay, the third part will be what we call, let's turn up this one first. Make sure when you are installing the controller wheel, make sure it is in power off mode. Okay, okay, the last part will be what you call this one, accessories mount. Okay, it's more on mechanical accessories mount. So what does it look like? The accessories mount is like this only. Okay, but there's have a lot of plugs. Okay, let me show this to you. Oh, yeah, accessories mount, as you can see, it's all original, the DJI. Okay, There's a lock. Okay, and then lock. You're gonna connect. Okay, take note, ha? Take note, guys. When you're installing this accessories mount, make sure no controller wheel connected on this one or any adapter. You cannot use at the same time the controller wheel and the accessories mount. Okay, it will not fit. Okay, let's remove the controller wheel. Okay, this one. Okay, and remove this one also. Okay, because I assume when you use this one, okay, when you use this one accessories mount, that means either you will install it to your motorbike, bicycle, car, or any handheld that will make you more in action motion. Okay, this one almost the same like GoPro, but this one is quite a longer one. Okay, so let's install this one. Okay, just insert it. As you can see, there's proper mount, the lock, okay, and that's it. So make sure it follows the orientation, and the accessory, the power on and the recording button are still accessible on this particular window of this accessories mount. And at the back, this is a universal type that you can mount to any universal mounting. Okay, with a screw type like a GoPro. Okay, so and then you can switch it now, and you can now start recording. Okay, guys, so that's the 3 expansion kit that you can use as part of the pimping your DJI OSMO Pocket. Okay, using this expansion kit. Okay, and this is really very helpful to all filmmaker out there. Okay, and just enjoy and continue vlogging using your DJI OSMO Pocket. Okay, see you next time to discuss another tech gadget review with VNfatBIKER. Thank you.